Understanding, monitor progress. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases monitor and progress. Understanding these terms is crucial for language learners, as they are commonly used in various contexts. So, let's dive in and unravel these phrases together. First, let's break down the word monitor. At its core, to monitor something means to observe, check, or keep an eye on something regularly. This is often done to see how something is developing or to check whether it is functioning correctly. Monitoring can be applied in various contexts, from science and technology to everyday life. Now, let's talk about progress. Progress refers to the forward or onward movement towards a destination, goal, or a higher stage. It's about the advancement or development towards a better, more complete, or more modern condition. In learning, progress is the journey from not knowing to knowing, from learning to mastering. When we combine these terms to form monitor progress, it means to regularly check and observe the advancement or development of a particular process, project, or situation. In the context of English language learning, it involves tracking how well you are learning and improving in the language over time. Monitoring progress is vital because it helps us identify areas of improvement and celebrate achievements. It acts as a guide to see if we are on the right track towards our goals. Regular monitoring ensures we don't stray from our learning objectives and helps us stay motivated. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of monitor progress and why it's such an important concept in learning and development. Remember, keeping track of your progress is key to achieving your language learning goals. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English skills. See you in the next video.